Hello, my name is Kwabena. Welcome. I want to share with you the type of business that you can, or types of businesses that you can start in Ghana. Many people think of starting businesses, and sometimes the kind of business that they can start becomes a challenge. I think that you have to look at yourself, you have to look at what you know, the skills you have. You also have to look at the community, the area that you want to start a business, the need. I mean, the kind of things that people need. It's not just you starting business out of your passion. It's also more of the problems that your business should be able to solve. So basically, you are trying to solve a problem that people would have to pay you. And so it's not just what you love. It's not just carrying camera and shooting pictures and editing them and thinking that that is business. Solve rare need where there is the need. People need things, and those are the things that your business should focus on. Businesses that are structured that way, where there is the need and they are fulfilling something, they are solving problems, those businesses succeed. So look through. I think that a large chunk of our businesses in the agri value chain is good. Whether you are into farming, whether you are into picking the produce from the farm, and supplying them to the city, or you're processing something from the farm, or you're selling what somebody has processed, or maybe sending things that the farmers also need. So maybe you can sell fertilizer or cutlasses or hoes or some machines, and chemicals that farmers also need. Anything in the chain, or what processes need, maybe the packaging materials, anything of that stream, and it cuts across every kind of crop or every kind of animal or livestock. That all kind of people are into the agriculture sector of our economy, and they say that is about one of the biggest areas that that have employed a lot of our people. So it is one of the areas that you can look at agriculture, and everything is in between. Processing, packaging, retailing in that sector is key, especially now that a lot of these global supply chains are in some kind of troubles. A lot of businesses that are in straight importation would have to also look at what they can do locally, and so you can look at that. Some people are into pea grain, some people are into plantain farm, all kind of farm, cassava, maize. Get into it. Some people are into poultry, all kind of things. So in the agri sector, so you would have to look at that if you're so much passionate about starting a business. And some of the other things that you can do is maybe you bring a better management, you bring a better customer service, you bring better delivery, whatever you can add to the existing structures. Maybe you can also enter directly into the retail market. So some people have provision shops, some people sell in the market, all kind of people are rendering all kind of retail services, and you can look at that. Our economy largely, businesses that do well are businesses that seem to see money every day. Every day those businesses do well. So it's better you start businesses that you can see money, and then later you can focus on the things that you want to do, than trying to prove something. Some people want to build factory, and they have been there for 5 years. They are cash strapped. They have locked the money in the machines and equipment. They have locked the money in building the structures, and they're locked up, and no money is coming in. And going for loans in our country, it's another ball game. It's unsustainable, especially for startups. So you can't go and borrow 20% and you think that you're going to succeed. So largely, you would want to focus on businesses that the cash flow is good. The other areas that maybe you can look at, if you have the balls, you can look at mining. I think a lot of Ghanaians should get into that field. It's our goal, it's not their goal, so we should. You meet a lot of frustrations, it could be dangerous, but we still have to get in there. The Chinese come here and do galamsey, buy all kind of guns, they go into there, all kind of areas to just looking for gold, and the Ghanaians are looking for visa to travel to another country. So I don't think we should take that off. Some people are into technology, whatever. Maybe you can help businesses to package and to brand well. You can charge for that. So look at the things that are needed and focus on that. Some people are into artifacts, you know, they are producing all kind of things with their hands. Some people are sewing for people, some people are making shoes, some people are making jewelry. All kind of businesses are being offered. Look at the ones that are in critical need, you know, that are critical needs of people, and focus on that, you know. So the other thing that I would want to say is what, maybe anything that is in between the construction chain is also not bad at all. The construction chain, some people are selling cement, iron rods, nails, wood, construction tools, construction equipment, electricals, plumbing, all kind of things like that. So you can look at those, and possibly position where your interest is, you know, because you want to solve problems, of society. And once you can look at that, so it could be, there are a lot of areas that I will not be able to mention, but they can also be very good areas that anybody at all can start business in, you know. So thank you very much for watching.